What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with some more Kamen Rider Geats raise buckles. And as you can see, these are gashapon raise buckles. I missed gashapon set 1, but I got gashapon set 2 right here, which has claw and chain array again, which if you watched my DX review, you've already seen these sounds, and if you've watched my, I want to say it's Candy Toy set 2, or is it like SG set 2? You've already seen me even use these double, so these are the third way to get these, so I'm not going to be showing them off for the rest of these videos. This is the balls they come in, and that is that. You have 3 rider buckles. We have this is the GQ driver. We have the sword driver, and we have the wizard driver. So if we are, and these are pretty easy to open up, and I'm not going to open them all up on camera. I just kind of want to show it's a little piece of paperwork it comes with. But yeah, there's the GQ driver. We'll see that in a little bit. So yeah, if we open up, it shows you all the ones in the wave. Shows you all the rider ones. As you can see, there are 2 GQ driver ones, but one of them is just the metallic version, so, or the, like, I can't, that's so weird. The Kira Maki version. So yeah, it's just a chrome version of this. So yeah, there's not much of a difference. So yeah, only 3 new buckles. That's kind of it. You got Geats over there. Tells you what you can use it with. Alright. So, let's get these other 2 opened up, and we'll get the driver in here. And here are the 3 new buckles. But before I really get into it, I just want to show off that this buckle looks the exact same as the other 2. Here is the Candy Toy, here is the DX. They all look the same. They all have the number 10 railing. See, and the only difference is if it has a letter or not, or if it's a C or a V. There's no difference between these buckles. They're going to make the same sounds. And if you want to hear these sounds, go watch one of the other videos I did with these buckles in it, and you can see that there. So, we're going to be mostly focusing on these 3 rider buckles. And we're going to start off with Wizard because numerical order came first, so it gets to show up first. So, we get the wizard driver nicely there. You get the wizard magic circle really engraved in there. Nice silver and metallic black. Got the hand. Just like a lot of other rider gears. Rider buckles. Why I said gears. So, let's start up. I don't know why it's doing that. I do like that it gives you the Flame Styles jingle, and I do like that it has the please. I do like that when they do make the noises, they do have like the initial activation of it. So, let's try it out with another rider buckle. Let's go with the X-Aid. Now let's try it with Decade. And let's use it with last but not least, the boost buckle. Now let's move on to the Jiku Driver Raise buckle. It actually has the 2018 etched in, and it has actually a lot of the details like the ride watch, Gio's eyes, the little knobs, the railing that the ride watches go into are in there, even Gio's logo. A lot of etched in detail. And I do like this like metallic purpley pinkish color they picked for the upper plastic, and the nice metallic pink. Really well done. You can spin it. And yeah, that's the Jiku Driver buckle. And a nice pink LED. Let's use it with Wizard. Now let's try it with Build. Let's also use it with the 01 buckle.
Turns to a rider kick. Ready. Fight. GO01 victory.
And there we go. Now let's move on to the boost buckle. And there's that. Let's move on to the last buckle in the set, the Saiken Sword Driver, or probably just gonna say the Sword Driver. You got the Brave Dragon book in there, you got the rest of the details for the other parts. You can see a little bit of the I almost called it the Rekka Daizanto. That's not the right one. I don't remember what the fire sword was named, but you know, it was the fire sword. You got a nice white and red. Surprised there was no black. Again, a lot of nice etched in detailing. Again, they can all flip. And this one is number 97. What have I been showing these off? This one is 29. And this one is 35. So, we slide this in. Oh, it actually says the full name. And, yeah, let's use it with the Wizard Driver. There we go.
Wizard Saber Victory.
And there's that. Now let's try with the Chiku Driver. And there's that. Now let's use it with the Revice Driver.
Revice Driver. Duel on.
And there's that.
Saber, release, victory.
And let's try it with, let's bring 01 back.
01 drop. Duel on. Stroke, rise. Rise. Rising up. A jump to the sky turns to a rider kick.
And there's that. And let's use it with last but not least, boost. And that's pretty much it. That's what these 3 buckles do. Overall, 3 really solid buckles give you some solid jingles, especially if you're fans of Wizard, Saber, or Geo. And overall, I would probably say my favorite of the set is the Geo one, mostly because I do like the Geo sounds a lot. I love the color scheme. And yeah, I would say pretty much the reason I like Geo the most is because I like Geo more than these 2. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. But what do you guys think? Which do you think is the best one of these 3 sets in the gashapon? Overall, I think they're really good. I think they're like much of the other rider buckles. It's just kind of cool that they have baked in a bunch of rider jingles into this belt. So I think that's just a ton of fun. And yeah, I can highly recommend them, especially if you've been collecting the rider buckles so far. So might as well just pick these up as well. So yeah, which is your guys' favorite? Leave it down in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. And until whatever I do next, bye.